Good morning everyone. I am Manoranjan Mandal, approved tour guide at Sundarban Tiger Reserve. Actually I am local eco guide. So I am with you today of your tour program. So I have to come to say some of the information about the Sundarban because I am a local guide. Have a look please, that is the plastic nets just behind the plant. Did you see the plastic net are there? Actually all kind of animals from Sundarban, all kind of animals just like a spotted deer, wild boar, tiger, monkeys, all kind of animals, they know how to swim. And when they enter into the village side, I mean that is the village side. When they enter into the village side, and the local people they try to kill them. As like a tiger, they revenge killing them, the tiger, and sometimes they kill a spotted deer and wild boar, and they eat them. But it is illegal because the Wildlife Protection Act declared 1972. That's why the forest department they try to keep all animals in the forest area. That's why the forest department they put a fence net outside of the forest when other side village. But local people they are poor, they are living below poverty level. That's why they cut it, the plastic net, and they try to collect fish and crab. And they try to move out from the forest area. All kind of the animals are there. Sundarban is the largest mangrove forest in the world, largest delta region in the world, largest marshland in the world, and largest riverine system in the world. So Sundarban. So Sundarban, it is World Heritage Site, National Park and Biosphere Reserve. The Sundarban and Ramsar site. You know about the Ramsar site? Yeah. It is a big, very largest marsh biodiversity. So it is extended from Bangladesh to India, covering a total area about 26,000 square kilometers. The eastern part of the Sundarban, the river name is Meghna, and the western part of the Sundarban, the river name is Hooghly, and southern part, that is the Bay of Bengal, and northern part, the Dampier-Hudis line, including Bangladesh, there are 26,000 square kilometers the Sundarban, when declared 1830. But when the Bangladesh is separate from India, when divided from the India, that time majority part of the Sundarban fell in Bangladesh. 65% of the Sundarban fell in Bangladesh. Do you know the name of Bangladesh at first? When they separate from India? East Bengal. East Bengal in Bengali, Purba Bengal. The East Bengal and West Bengal. Became of the name of country, East Pakistan 1947. 1971, they get freedom from the West Pakistan. For 1 year, the country name was, you know that? The name is Joy Bangla for 1 year. And then became the name of Bangladesh after 1971-72. So, it is the 65% of the Sundarban fall in Bangladesh, and it is the international waterway. So that is the channel name is Raimangal. Raimangal is the big stream connected with the Bay of Bengal. With the channel is they makes an international border. The Raimangal approximate 20 kilometers from here to that is the Raimangal channel. And there is a Bangladesh Sundarban and Indian Sundarban. There are no any difference between Bangladesh and Indian Sundarban. All are similar. So there are 102 islands when declared the Sundarban. That time in our Indian Sundarban part, 102 islands. But 54 islands in this time the humans settled are there. As like Eco village. That is the island called Hamilton Island, called Sharjalia. Once time, 120 years back, you think that is the tiger was there in your Eco village. But not now. Once time the Kolkata was a part of Sundarban. But that time was a British people and the local people, they finished deforested area. They cut the mangrove forest, they finished, and they make a cultivation area and they distribute to the landlord to collect revenue from there. That's why there are 54 islands still not there. As like an island called Sharjalia, Gosaba, Rangabelia look like that. And another 48 islands, the mangrove forest now our left hand side. The left hand side this is a wild area. And it is only on the forest in the world. There are no any tribes. No tribal people are there. No aboriginal are there. It is the no man's land. Which area about 4,300 square kilometers. 4,300 square kilometers, the no man's land, our left hand side. Before 1973, this is the part of Sundarban, the no man's land called divisional forest. But 120 countries in the world, there are possible to see different kind of mangroves, but there are not possible to see maximum species of mangroves, and there are not possible to see any tiger. Tiger only found from the Sundarban, I mean including Bangladesh Sundarban. That's why it is the largest mangrove tiger land in the world. So that's why decreasing the number of tiger from Sundarban, our Indian Sundarban part, declare tiger project to reproduce the number of tiger from Sundarban. This is the map of Sundarban Tiger Reserve. Have a look, please. This is the map of Sundarban Tiger Reserve. Now we are top of the dark green. We are here. There are three different color on this map. The lower portion, this is the called core zone. Core zone means almost free from all human activities. But some of the whale protection camp are there. I mean the forest staff, we have some of the forest camp are there. This is the area fishing, not allowed. Tourism not allowed. Honey collection not allowed. This area. This is the dark green area. It's called the wildlife sanctuary. Only we can move. Visitor can move by boat, but fishing prohibited. This part. And this is the part. It is towards the Bangladesh side. It's called the buffer zone. Buffer zone is most important for local people. Because the local area we don't have any industry. That's why 85% to 90% of the local people they depended on Sundarban directly and indirectly. Like they can catch fish, they can catch crab, they collect honey and the tourism. As like me, I am with you, but I am not a staff of the forest department. Just we get license from the forest department and depended on the tourist and tourist satisfaction. As like the tourism, one of the biggest industry. Sometimes the foreign people also depended. The tour organizer. So not only that, sometimes they imported some of the Europe, some of the countries in Europe, they imported some of the fish and crab from Sundarban. Crabs and prawns, tiger prawns and king prawns, lobsters. They are imported from India to that country. So this is the area, the local people they can fishing 9 months because the breeding time not allow for them. But every day we can move. I mean, this is the area, wildlife sanctuary and buffer zone. Every day we can move in this area. But few of the days in the year when affect the natural disasters, the atmospheric depression of the seaside as like a cyclones, that time few days the forest department closed for the tourist. This area, this is the wildlife sanctuary and the buffer zone. And it is most important and dangerous job for the local people when they collect honey in the forest area. This is the area, wildlife sanctuary and buffer zone, they can walk in the forest area. 20 days they can walk in the forest area. And how to collect honey, how to walk in the forest area, I think you know that because sometimes it forecast by the National Geographic Channel. Because the honey collectors, they have to use some of the mask behind of head. Because this is the tiger from Sundarban, they don't attack us in face to face. Always they will jump on the behind. That's why to confuse the tiger from Sundarban. To confuse the tiger, they use some of the mask behind of head. They confuse it, and they saw two faces are there. But few percent of the tiger, very less percent of the tiger, they knows it. It is not. It is a duplicate face, and it is not face of the Narendra Modi. It is they knows it. That's why that kind of the tiger they try to kill them when they collect honey in the forest area. But it is very difficult because it is the marshland. The roots is come up from the grounds. It is too much hard and sharp. Very difficult to walk up there. There is no any way to move. So, few of the tiger they try to kill them when they collect honey in the forest area. So, because this is the tiger at Sundarban, but the tiger from Sundarban are not habitual in man-eater. All cases take place when the man come inside of the territory of tigers. didn't make it difficult for tiger to catch the wild animals as like a spotted deer and wild boar. But they are very easy to man. Men can't run fast, can't see anything. That's why easily they can kill them when they move in the forest area. But some of the people they tell us that is the tiger from Sundarban, that is the tiger as man eater. I am agree with them, but there are only 1% are there. That is the man eater tiger. When they enter into the village, why they avoid human? Please tell me. If that is the tiger from Sundarban, they are man eater. So that is the tiger when enter into the village, why they avoid human? That is the human is too much difficult to kill them in the village side. Always they are sleeping in the bedroom. Easy to kill them, the cattle from the cow shed. Cow, dog, sheep, etc. So this is the tiger are not habitable in man eater. So it is the largest mangrove forest in the world. The mangrove means mangrove, not a mango. Mangroves are fully different kind of the plants who can grow in the marshland, who can survive under the salt water 16 hours within 24 hours. They flooded by the tide, but they don't die. That's called mangroves. When they have the aerial root system of mangroves, when they have supporting root system of mangroves, when the complex root system of mangroves. I will look please, that is the complex root system above ground, like an octopus. Did you see that? So I think you thinking about that the mud is washed and cleaned by the water, the root is come up. Not yet. Only the root is spread above ground. It's from the complex root system on the top of the ground. That's called mangroves. There are 84 different kind of plants. Actually, mangroves is not a single kind of plant. Mangrove, that is the character of the plant. There are 84 different kind of plants are there. The first name is very common because the maximum of the people name the plants Sundari. Sundari plant is very famous for the Sundarban because maximum people they know that the Sundarban name came from the Sundari plant. But Sundarban means beautiful forest in Bengali. Sundar means beautiful or nice or good, or forest means born. Sundarban means Sundar, not Sundarbon. Bon means sister. Bon means sister. Sundarban. One means forest. So there are different plants of these mangroves are there. Sundari, Gorjun, Goran, Gewa, Tora, Vine. That is the local name. That is the Latin name of this mangrove. Heritaria forms. Sonoraceae apetala, Rhizophora apiculata, Abyssinia officinalis, Xylocarpus granatum, Exegre egalosa, Nipa fruticans, Phoenix fabulosa, Sonoraceae apetala, Burugura zimunoriza, lot of the names, Poteraceae coarctata, and Candelia candle. One of the Latin name of the plant called Candelia candle. So this is the mangrove are there, 84 different kind of plants. There are all kind of the mangrove, they have flowers and fruits, but nobody can eat them. Sometimes it's possible to see, look like a cannonballs, very big fruits are there, but nobody can eat them. That's why we have 220 types of birds. 220 types of birds are found from Sundarban who like to eat fish and crab for food. Sometimes they like to eat snake and eels. Snake and eels. We have 5 types of kingfishers. Kingfisher, there are 5 different type of kingfishers are there, different color and different size. But we had another kingfisher. You know the India government card, that is the wing of the kingfisher. Remember, yeah? Kingfisher Flight Airlines, Vijay Mallya. The Vijay Mallya have lost 2 wings are there. That's why before cut the wings, he has flight from India to England. Are there. So, sorry to tell you that we have another kingfisher. It is very common because the kingfisher, the state bird, it is the what is the because of the tide, too much strong the water current. As today as like as the full moon. Yesterday was full moon, but this current is there as like as full moon. That's why. We have another, the state bird name is kingfisher. That's why if you want to buy the kingfisher, you can buy from the different corner. You know the name? Yes. Kingfisher beer. different, very tiny kingfisher are there called common kingfishers. And we have a stork, adjutant stork called marabu. Adjutant stork. You know about the marabu? The very big stork are there, 120 centimeter height. They like to eat eels and snakes. Eel and snakes are there. So we have another hawk, bass, eagle, etc. etc. So there are possible to see in Sundarban 56 type of reptiles. There are 4 type of sea turtles. There are 4 type of sea turtles are found in the Sundarban, but they came near the seaside in the core zone. Those areas not allowed for tourists. Olive-ridley sea turtle, green sea turtle, leatherback sea turtle, hawksbill sea turtle are there. So if you interested about the sea turtles, they are very easy to see them. If you go to the Odisha, Bhitarkonika is very famous place for the olive-ridley sea turtles. But in the winter time, they comes from the different countries, from the Atlantic Ocean, from the Pacific Ocean. The green sea turtle is the maximum weight 250 kilogram weight maximum. 250 kilograms and 1.5 meter length. These are an olive-ridley, Mexico and Atlantic Oceans. They come to the laying eggs, they are there. So we have largest reptile in the world, the crocodile, called water crocodile. Only single species are found from Sundarban. And monitor lizard. We have the monitor lizard more than 2 meters, 2.5 meters we have seen in Sundarban. And 22 types of snakes. Do you like to see the snakes? But very hard to spot in Sundarban because the roots and the snakes very similar. So there are 22 types of snakes are there. 3 types of cobra. 3 types of cobra are there. Monacal cobra, spectral cobra and king cobra. King cobra is the largest hooded and poisonous snake in the world. The king cobra. And we have crate. Crate is very dangerous snake and poisonous snake also. The crate always try to warm heat from the animal's body. Another snake they try to take heat from the sun because the cool-blooded animals are there. But this is the snake not hooded. Maximum length 1 meter. And the bandits see that the crate. Common crate is too much poisonous that parallelly can laying with you when you sleep at night. Crate. Too much poisonous snake. And we have the banded sea snake are found in Sundarban in the water. Banded sea snake. That is the tail is look like a fish. The head is look like a snake. Are there. We have Russell viper and python. We have Russell viper, python, gliding snake, and green pit viper, Russell viper.